Now let us start with the next activity, that is your paper activity. Best out of waste. We have to use only the newspaper. Waste newspaper. All the students from classes 1st to 10th, they can use or they can make these things. First of all, look here. With the help of one wooden stick, we are making these types of paper pipes. Right? Now, we have to use these paper strips also, and we have to give them some shape. Let us give it the shape, round shape. So just fold it like this. In this way we can fold it completely, and on the point we will paste it with Fevicol here. So we will get these types of shapes, right? Now we can make coasters with this, just to cover or just to keep your cup, your glass of milk on this. You can give the shape like this or like this. We have to color them. I was having only 3 colors with me at home, so I have used red, black and yellow color for my activity. After this coaster, we can make coaster stand also. You can make 4, 5, 6 coasters and just place them here in the coaster stand. So you can use it like this. After this, we can make hangings. Okay, this is hanging. You can hang it in your lawn, on the trees, or you can apply some lights here. That will give a beautiful look at night. Again, simple circles with paper, and we have colored them. Then the yellow strips. This circle I have made with tape. The tape was not there, only the round shape was there with small empty tape. And after this I have cut the roll, paper roll in small pieces, and I have pasted them here. Now look here. Then look at this. Just to keep them straight, I have used one paper strip at the back side. After that, I have pasted the round shapes on the front, and I have tied them with the thread and needle also, just to keep them straight. Right? After this, we can keep it here, paste them. You can use Fevicol or the glue gun just to paste them. Right? In the same way, you can make some pot with the same paper strips. One pot I can show you. Poonam ma'am has made that. Like this, you can make it with the strip. Finally, you can decorate them with material which you are having at your home. That can be laces, mirrors or anything else which you are having at your home. So this is your paper activity. Now I will tell you one more activity, because you are using Fevicryl colors, fabric colors. They will get dry and that can be wasted. If you have any stone at home like this, okay, look at the shape of the stone. Like, I think this is the shape of strawberry. So I will give it the shape. This is red color I have used. Then after that, for the strawberry, then for the strawberry, we will put, after coloring the red fabric color on the stone. Students, I request you switch off your mics, please. Students, please switch off your mics. There's disturbance in the video. Just put the dots on the stone. So this will give you the strawberry look. Or you can decorate it with any other color. Like I have used yellow color on the base, then I decorated it with 3D outliner. So don't waste your fabric colors, use them with some other activity also. So these are the two activities which you have learned from here. Now, at the same time, you can use these types of designs for decorating the stones. You have so many other ideas also. You can create your own ideas. Now, over to Valia sir for the landscape. I hope you all have enjoyed the activities.